Hey YouTuber, that antenna is a Wilson antenna. The other one is a less than $10 one. It's more like 7, as the Wilson's under 20. Well, what's the comparison? I wonder. I've got varied signals, very nice out. So look, we'll take a look right here, and this is this antenna here coming across here. I had the Wilson permanently installed because it was 125 dBm and 121. That's not very good. More like the best I got out here. No, cell phone was 121, 19 ASU. So the lower the number, the better. So I'll start unscrewing this here, and as you can see, the Chinese one comes with a hole in the female, and then you have to get this adapter pin that goes in like this, and that's another $10. Same as you'd pay. So now I'm hooking up the Wilson. Hopefully it'll go back to 80 or 60. Definite improvement. I should have gone back to 0. For some reason it's not doing it. I'm not making any calls, and the signal strength meter is not the best apparently, because it didn't go back to 0 and I couldn't make a call. Let's see if it changes. It may take a couple minutes, because switching back and forth. So now, as you can see, the end here of the Chinese one, this is a 2mm plug. You can see the hole. It's useless. And this holder I have right here is in the back, as you can see, and the little red lights on. That's a Chinese 700 megahertz. Now it got 0. That's good. And it jumps back to 124. Oh, not very good at all. It wasn't that much difference, but usually it gets much lower. It's not a good example, but it's real because there's no reception here. And if I was to make a call, I don't think that'd work because it shows all my cell phone contacts. So it says connected. Alright. 16 ASU. Well, YouTubers, that's what it is. So probably 5 minutes from now I could get all the way down to 60. Unusual. So avoid spending another $10 on that thing to connect in with a proper male fitting. And this is a Chinese one, about $30. As you see, it's not that big of a deal. Just grass, and these things slide up and down. These things on the side, they slide up and down and adjust to your phone. Okay, so much for you guys.